step into the extraordinary realm of rare earth magnets, an often overlooked marvel that shapes a technological landscape. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the properties, manufacturing, applications, and the visionary companies behind rare earth magnets. Rare earth magnets, known for their exceptional strength, are important materials in our modern world. Their magnetic power, derived from elements like neodymium and samarium cobalt, fuels countless applications in various industries. The manufacturing process of rare earth magnets begins with combining rare earth elements to form rare earth alloy. The alloy undergoes processes like milling, pressing, and sintering to create a magnetically enhanced material. The resulting material is shaped through machining, coated for protection, and magnetized using strong fields. Witness the diverse applications that benefit from rare earth magnets' prowess. From renewable energy and healthcare to consumer electronics and transportation, these magnets are the driving force behind smaller, more efficient, and sustainable technologies. Behind the scenes, Stanford Advanced Materials lead the charge in rare earth magnet innovation. We not only produce magnets of the highest quality, but also champion sustainable practices, shaping the landscape for future advancements. Please visit www.samaterials.com for more information.